friends, welcome to Maths World GM Search channel. Today you are going to learn the construction of tangents from the point which is on the circle, the point from the outside of the circle, that is from the external point, and the tangent using alternate segment theorem, or the tangent chord theorem. We can say tangent chord theorem. So what is the meaning of the point on the circle? The tangent on the circle, the point which is on the circle. Suppose we have the circle with the center O and the point P is on the circle. So the tangents from on the circle can be drawn, and the tangent which is passes through which the point and touches to the circle. So in this type we have to find. And the tangent from external point of the circle, the point which is external, is like this one point, and two tangents. We know that two tangents can be drawn from the external points at any point P, and the other point as Q, which touches the circle. And like this we can have from the point A, we have to draw the two tangent. And alternate segment theorem is, we have a point which is on the circle, we have to draw the triangle, any triangle in the circle. And the alternate segment means the angle we have in the circle, in the triangle, that angle is taken here in the alternate circle, opposite side, alternate side, with the equal measurement of this we will take, and we will draw the tangent like this. So this is nothing but the alternate segment we have. And let us see how to draw the. Welcome friends, welcome to my maths class at GM Sarka channel, Maths World GM Search channel. We have the problem under the construction of tangents from the external point. We have the problem, draw a tangent to the circle from the point P having the radius 3.6 centimeter, and the center at O. Point P is at a distance of 7.2 centimeter from the center. So first of all we must draw the rough diagram. Always we have to draw the rough diagram to get the clear idea of the fair diagram. So we have the circle of radius 3.6 centimeter. From that we have from the center O, the point is 7 centimeter away, point P, this is the radius 3.6 and this is 7 centimeter away from that. So we have to draw the tangent from point P to the circle. A tangent is enough. We can also draw two tangents, but it is given a tangent, so we have to draw the tangent from the external point. So first of all, we must draw a circle of radius 3.6. Let this one be the center of the circle. In the compass, let us take the radius 3.6. Clearly we can see it is 3.6. So from the center we draw the circle of radius 3.6. Very carefully we have to draw the circle. And from the point center O, we have to draw or take the point 7 centimeter away, point P, join both the dots. This is the point P. In the compass, we have to take more than half of the OP to draw the perpendicular bisector below and above the OP. To get the midpoint of OP, join these two. Therefore, this is the midpoint of OP. From the midpoint of OP, we have to draw the circle which passes through O and P to intersect the previous circle at a 2 point, and let the 2 point of intersection on the previous circle by the new circle are A and B. Two tangents can be drawn from the external point of the circle. So PA is a tangent, and another tangent we can draw. PB is another tangent. We have 3.6 centimeter, OP is 7 centimeter, and PA is 5.9 centimeter is the length of tangents. Therefore, the lengths of tangents is PA equal to PB equal to 5.9 centimeter. We can write the construction steps for the construction of this problem. 5 or 6 points we can write. First point, draw the circle of radius 3.6. Mark the point P 7 centimeter away from the circle. we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of OP by taking more than half as the radius. From the point O and P, we have to draw the arcs above and below the OP. By joining the point of intersection of the arcs above and below OP to get the perpendicular bisector which intersect at M, and from the point M we have to draw the circle to get the point of intersection on the previous circle A and B. By joining the points A and B with P, we get the two tangents P and PP, which are of equal measures 5.9 centimeter. That's it in this problem. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching the video. If you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe the channel.